Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn how to draw and paint a bell flower. It's a very common flower. All of you must have seen around your house. So let's start. We'll need one canvas or paper, pencil, eraser. We need acrylic or any other type of paints, brushes. Okay, so let's start. So I have this canvas. Its size is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. This is my pencil, and let's learn to draw. To draw a bell flower, first you make one O. Okay, make one O like this, and then make a bell. Now inside the bell, we will show one line, dotted line, and we will erase it later. Okay, so here is our dotted line, and around this line we are showing some curves, and here is this down part of the curve. We are showing some leaves which are bent outside, and later on we'll do the shading. So for our reference, we'll just draw the lines. Okay, this is our flower. Around the flower, we'll show one leaf which is hidden, other leaf which is hidden. This is the bottom part of the flower which is half covered with the leaf. This is another leaf. You can show more leaves if you want. Then this is a stem, creeper, which is going. Here is the other side of the creeper. Now leaf. This is one leaf which is curved and little bent. Other leaf is here, coming out here. So now after drawing this leaf, I'm erasing this pencil mark, because we are going to use very light colors. So these pencil marks may create problem to us. Okay, now this is a big leaf which is bent like this. Here is a small corner. This is a leaf which is actually folded. This is our basic drawing. Now, if we want, we can show more leaves here. We can show one more leaf here. We can show some small curves. We can show one more small flower here. Okay, so here, first I'll draw a bell, and then inside the bell, we'll draw the flower. Once we will finish the drawing, then we'll show the pollen in the flower. If we want, we can also show the flower on this side. We can show one flower here. And this is our basic drawing. Now I'm going to erase this outline of bell and this center line, dotted line which we drew. To paint this painting, we need following shades. We need green color, light green color, purple, white. Okay, and we may give shading with black and yellow somewhere. So we'll start making the flowers first. For the flower, I will take the purple. I'll keep the palette here so that we can see. Purple I will take, and this purple, I have made it watery. Now we have to do the shading. So white color we have taken, which is quite thick, and we'll give strokes from here. You can do with pencil color, poster color, brush pen, anything. I'm not sure how you can give shading in brush pen because I have not done that. But here lots of shading work is there. This is the first layer of paint. Now I'll start here. Okay, now I will touch purple and I'll give the shading. Now I take dark purple wash your brush, dry it. Now I'm taking a flat brush. I'm applying more purple color on the edges and take white color and mix it. Opposite side you bring white color. Purple from the top and white from this side and try to mix them. Even if lines are visible, doesn't matter. So our flowers are ready. Now we are going to make leaves with light green, dark green, little yellow, any yellow you use, whichever yellow you have. I'm using this color for stem. It's a brownish color, mustard and yellow mix. And I'll be using this golden yellow also. So these are the shades in my palette. This is little brown and gold and yellow mix. This is yellow, light green and dark green. So first thing I'll give a coat with brownish yellow. My canvas is a stretch canvas, so we don't have to get it framed. So I have not left space on the sides. But if you're doing on the paper, then please leave space on the sides. Morning Glory's stem is very delicate. It's not dark brown like other stems. It's soft, we can say. So we are going to mix some green, light green, dark green in this. So this is my green color. I have mixed some water in it. Make it a smooth paste so that there are no lumps, and acrylic paint dries very fast. So lump part we'll keep aside and we will mix it very fast with the brown color, with light brown. Now here I'm going to paint the stem. Light green inside the dark green. We can give touch of yellow also. Now in between, we'll draw very fine line as the central vein. So I'm coming to next leaf. Again, the same procedure. We will use white color. Our painting is complete and now we will cover the pencil marks. With this, our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.